I'm in the Cayman Islands wildin' while I'm bustin' up the silence. I'm denying all vaginas who be claiming that they rhyming. Bust up in it like a bando, way too much to handle. I should let you know I know my haters really fans though. Wow, yeah, why the hell you mad? Look, I'm just being me. Mess around and break the bank. She might shake it on the dash. Had her screaming like a mad. Way ahead you niggas, live your future in my past. Whip it like a flip phone. Oh, she loved the phone. All you niggas big bandwagons on my shit. No, you can hop up off that. I just got my sauce back. So way out my mother loving mine. I think I lost that. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. On my 007, yeah, there is no telling, yeah. What I might do next, what I might have in here. What I might have in here. Yeah, I'm on a mission, and no one can stop me, you must be tripping. Tell Roger to copy, I'm on a mission, and no one can stop me, you must be tripping. Tell Roger to copy that. Let's go. I'ma raise the millionaire, self-made winner here. Nigga, you a copy of a copy. Build a bear. I only fear the fear of fair, and that's not in here. You couldn't even say you ballin' if you had a pair. Watch out, donuts like the cop out. So much time in music, man, I swear I never clock out. Turn X and O to knockouts, make them wanna tap out. Now they tryna find me, kinda like the trap out. I just had this flip mode, I be hella lit, stove. Whip it hella loud, you can feel it from the 6th floor. I'm a Caribbean girl, shake it like a disco. I just had to lay it down with this show. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
A little bit of light, trying to find my heart. Funny when I break out a lifestyle dark. Honey when I write, get a tight flow spark. With a psycho chart, playing dice, go start. Oh, who are you? Better know yourself. Know your soul, gotta know your wealth. Slow your roll, get a hold, don't melt. And don't you fall when I feel like hell. Oh, who am I? Am I and me? I'm not the one you wanna fuck with. Late nights messing up my sleep, so I'm flustered. Taking out aggression with my pen because I trust it. Writing, trying to get myself a lamb color custard. The game, leave him hanging by his chain. Click, bang, feeling rage, feeling fire in my brain, feel insane. And the story, feel the flame. 45 to my brain, praying for it, please help. No glory. I'm not the one you wanna fuck with. Late nights messing up my sleep, so I'm flustered. Taking out aggression with my pen because I trust it. But you trying to get myself a lamb color custard.